Right guys, welcome back, and I know you're probably thinking that we're going to be painting the rest of the BMW today, but we're not. As you can currently see, it is raining, it's been snowing, the temperature's been crazy cold, so it's sort of kind of put the brakes on all the stuff that we still need to paint. So, we're actually thinking we can actually put like the radiator and stuff on, some fans, a couple of seals around the place, just to get something done, you know? We're sitting here with our sort of fucking twiddling our thumbs, you know, we don't know what to do, so we need to do something. So we need to get this place sorted. It is a riot. If you look over there, look, after all the Christmas projects, it is just chaos right here. Random stuff everywhere. Right guys, first things first, we need to make a list. We don't really know what we're doing, so let's start with a BMW. Right, so we need to put, we can put the radiator on.
Fan on radiator.
We can, we've got some seals we can put on around the door. We need to just get rid of some stuff because it's all up in the spare room, which isn't going down too well with the missus. Door seals.
Window seals.
Windows, we can do some windows. And we'll see what else we can add to this list, but there's going to be more.
Radiator hoses.
Well, some
Rad hoses.
So, look, what I like to do on a list is clean up, get a fresh cross or a tick on the box. So yeah, let's just get this car ready to do something anyway. It's still got paper on it, we can take some paper off, and yeah, we'll get cracking with that. Here she is, first time she's seen the light of day. And I don't know, a couple of months anyway. Oh, yeah, looking good. A little dusty, but no paint on anything, so that was what we were mainly concerned about. I'm not exactly Mr. Finesse. Get the job done, get in, get out. Even though it's taken 2 months. We got this off here now, and look, you can see it actually doesn't look.
The camera doesn't look as bad.
Yeah, it's definitely a different shade.
Maybe if you go here.
Oh yeah, look, you can see there from in the parcel shelf and that. It looks way bright. When we originally wanted to paint it, this is the colour we wanted. Right, so the seal is pretty dusty, so Dave's on the
cleaning job.
Dave's on the cleaning job, so old WD baby. Helps him slide in too. Right, so Dave's over there cleaning the seals. I'm over here about to clean these lights because they're nasty. They got overspray on them. There's dust all over them. So yeah, they need a good tart up. I need to replace this to a spring, but we've got the trusty old cable tied in now, which will help me out. Well, it's not great, but look, it's a damn sight better than it was. I could actually do a polish in these, but that's another day's problem. Right, so we've got the rear lights in now. Look, this one's all chipped, but what you gonna do? Still looks amazing though. See from over here. Woo! Damn! She's looking mighty fine. We're making progress anyway. Here we go. Right. See these screws here? It is nothing short of a miracle that I haven't lost these. Oh, almost lost it there. Haven't lost them. This light's been off a million times and I would lose just about anything. I'm surprised that camera's still there looking at me, to be honest. Look at that red and purple. Oh. Sweet. Look at that. That looks so nice. Look, I'm an idiot, I jinxed it, there's a screw missing. Right, so we got everything a little bit more cleaned up and it looks amazing. Got the headlights on. I honestly just cannot wait to get it all painted up and finished now. Dave's, we've got these, we've got the rear windows, we're just getting them all cleaned up. They are nasty looking, so we're getting them all nice. The seals are all in. All looks good. I know we're probably getting a bit of ahead. I was vacuuming. That's how ahead of it I'm getting, but still. We're going to get the dash in as well at one point, but we still need to do some stuff at the throttle. The list just keeps growing, as I'm sure you all know how it goes. But we just got to keep digging and see if we can get to where we need to be.
Right, here we got the radiator on, so it looks nice, fans fitted. So before we had brackets holding this on right here, then we went to the super dampener, then it was too far forward, then we had to go more in with the radiator fan. So then I got these clips that hold the fan on there, and they're great.
Happy days, and I took it in plenty. That's actually giving us
loads of room.
A 1/4 inch.
Looks good, man.
Looks great. Look, what do you think? Looking good. Right guys, that's us pretty much done for the night anyway. Look, we got tons done. The car looks immense. We just put this on. Look, I actually need to do... It's a whole other story with that. But yeah, we got Dave got the intercooler and the radiator on. Got some lights on. Everything's starting to go back together pretty well. We have the door seals over there, but they're absolutely knackered. So I don't know if we're going to put them ones on or... I don't know. That's another hurdle. But... that's going to be it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Just give us a subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff, and yeah, see you at the next one. Say bye, Dave.
Bye, everybody.